How to get glowing skin at home lemon. Known for its potential benefits in enhancing skin appearance due to its natural properties like skin brightening. Its natural astringent can help tighten pores, reducing their appearance and giving the skin a smoother look. Exfoliation. Gentle exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing fresh skin underneath. This enhances skin texture, brightens the complexion, and allows better absorption of serums and moisturizers. Facial masks. Natural masks nourish, hydrate, and revitalize the skin. Ingredients like honey, yogurt, or clay help detoxify, soothe, and rejuvenate the skin for a healthy glow. Hydration. Water is crucial for skin health. It helps maintain moisture, flushes toxins, and aids in cell regeneration. Consuming adequate water keeps your skin plump and supple, reducing dryness and promoting a healthy glow. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day for optimal hydration. Healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides essential nutrients and antioxidants. These support collagen production, fight free radicals, and contribute to a radiant complexion. Regular cleansing. Proper cleansing twice a day removes dirt, oil, and makeup residues. It prevents clogged pores, breakouts, and dullness, allowing your skin to breathe and absorb skincare products effectively. Moisturizing. Applying a suitable moisturizer maintains skin hydration, protects the skin's barrier, and prevents moisture loss. It keeps the skin soft, supple, and visibly healthy. Sun protection. Sunscreen with SPF shields the skin from harmful UV rays that cause premature aging, sunspots, and skin damage. Daily application helps maintain a youthful and radiant complexion. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep allows skin cells to repair and regenerate, contributing to a refreshed and radiant complexion. Stress management. Stress can trigger skin issues. Techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing alleviate stress, promoting clearer and healthier skin. Exercise. Physical activity increases blood flow, nourishing skin cells and removing toxins, contributing to a healthy and radiant appearance. Each of these practices contributes to improving skin health, promoting a natural and healthy glow. Combining these habits consistently will likely yield noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance and overall health.